Welcome back, viewers. The holy month of Ramzan is underway and loudspeaker debate is back making headlines yet again. Yogi Adityanath government is working on enforcing Supreme Court restrictions on loudspeakers that say that they cannot be used between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. across the country and across religious places of worship, citing serious effects of noise pollution. However, an appeal from Samajwadi Party and AIMIM has now once again put the spotlight on enforcement of this rule. Samajwadi Party has written to local district magistrate in Sambal seeking permission to use loudspeakers for azan and sehri, for iftar and sehri, Iftar is when Muslims break their fast and sehri is the pre-dawn meal consumed before they began their fast. Now, since this usually happens before 6 a.m., loudspeakers cannot be used during this period. However, SP and AIMIM want loudspeakers used even during this period to help the रोजेदार्स.
हम लोगों की अपेक्षा ये है कि इस बार जो रमज़ान आएंगे, जो सुविधाएं रमज़ान में रोज़दारों को मिलनी चाहिए सरकार की तरफ से, जैसे रमज़ान के समय में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं कि माइक से आवाज़ लगती है, तो सरकार ने वो बंद कर रखा है। तो जब रोज़दार को टाइम पता चलना चाहिए, सफाई की व्यवस्थाओं के निर्देश होने चाहिए कि जिस तरह से सफाई और त्योहारों पे रहती है, तो मुझे पूरा उम्मीद है कि सरकार जिस तरह से हमेशा सरकारों में होता रहा, हर त्योहार पे होता रहा, तो इस त्योहार के मौके पे, रमजान शरीफ के मौके पे भी सारी सुविधा देने का काम करे।
This is our country. Whether you are Muslim or Sikh or Hindu, we are living here. Bharatiya Janata Party and its government should decide it. Whether this country belongs to every citizen of this country or not. If this country belongs to every citizen, then you have to respect every religion. Whatever is happening in Sambal is very objectionable. It is, I strongly condemn it. Ramzan is a pious month for the Muslim community.
Now, while opposition parties may say that they condemn this decision, what they must realize is that they are opposing the verdict, the norms, the rules that have been laid down by the Supreme Court. And this is exactly what the BJP is saying. They say that the rules were set in stone back in 2005.
हम सब लोग मानते हैं कड़कड़ में है, तो कड़कड़ में है तो काहे कड़क आवाज चले, शांति चले देश में। बच्चा पढ़ने लिखने का समय है ना, ये लाउड स्पीकर बजा के क्या डिस्टर्बेंस होता है। हम कहते हैं न्यायालय ने ऑर्डर कर रखा है कि ध्वनि प्रदूषण है, क्या चाहते हैं? ऑर्डर है कोर्ट का, भाई नहीं बजना चाहिए, तेज आवाज नहीं होनी चाहिए, ये क्या मतलब? हम भाई शांति से अपना सभी लोग आवे, सबको मालूम है कौन टाइम पूजा करना चाहिए, कौन टाइम नहीं करना चाहिए। घड़ी आ गए, वो तब था जब घड़ी नहीं था तो जगाया जाता भैया, एक आदमी समझता था कि कितने बजे रेखा से खींचा जाता था, कितना इतना मिनट बात है। अब तो घड़ी आ गया, अलार्म आ गया, तो क्या जरूरत है? लगाए अलार्म, उस समय जागे चले जाए, क्या जरूरत है?
India is a country that does not run on religion. It runs on rule of law. And if there is any rule or if there is a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, that would apply to all Indians and has to be implemented by all governments without it being given any kind of social or political or even religious tone or color. After all, can anybody say that the rule of law they should be excluded from the rule of law? That is not the intent of any law-abiding citizen of the country, and certainly no political party can say that this should be done in a manner that you break a law.
Now let's take you through the stories that made news internationally. More on that in a bit. Right now, taking a break.